Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2026 Ford Mustang Mach-E? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The 2026 Ford Mustang Mach-E engine compartment fuse box, officially designated as the underhood fuse box or power distribution box in Ford electric vehicle literature, serves as the primary power hub for the high-voltage support systems, safety sub-circuits, and mechanical thermal infrastructure of the fully electric drivetrain. Because the vehicle lacks a traditional internal combustion engine, this panel is located within the front luggage compartment, frunk area, securely positioned beneath a removable plastic trim access cowl on the driver's side. The panel housing is constructed from ultra-durable, injection-molded composite designed to deliver absolute moisture and dust sealing, preventing any exposure to external elements. The protective cover features robust dual-locking retention clips and an integrated inner environmental gasket. On its underside, the cover includes a molded fuse puller tool and a localized layout schematic detailing specific component coordinates. Unlike conventional gas-powered vehicles, the bus architecture of this specific electrical hub is specialized for battery electric vehicle architecture. It connects directly to the vehicle's independent 12-volt low-voltage accessory battery, acting as a protective firewall for systems that manage the 12-volt to high-voltage steps. It houses high-current cartridge fuses, such as J-case types, medium-duty micro-relays, and mini-fuses that shield vital submodules. These include the high-voltage battery cooling pump systems, electric cabin heaters, anti-lock braking pump valves, onboard vehicle diagnostic gateways, windshield wiper motors, and the electronic power-assisted steering control logic loops. When an overcurrent event occurs on a circuit, the corresponding fuse isolates the spike entirely, safeguarding the highly interconnected CAN bus module array from electrical damage. Battery fuse box. The 2026 Ford Mustang Mach-E battery fuse box of the electric, more accurately referred to in electric vehicle engineering as the high-voltage battery junction box, is the heavy-duty critical protection gateway for the vehicle's primary high-voltage propulsion system. Safely isolated completely outside of the passenger cabin, this specialized unit is integrated directly inside the sealed structural casing of the primary lithium-ion battery pack assembly, mounted beneath the floor of the vehicle. Body control module fuse box. The 2026 Ford Mustang Mach-E body control module fuse box of the electric, frequently designated as the passenger compartment fuse panel in driver literature, acts as the primary solid-state command center for the vehicle's low-voltage cabin infrastructure, digital entry systems, and interior comfort electronics. It is located directly within the vehicle cabin, positioned in the front passenger footwell area behind a removable plastic access cover integrated into the lower right-hand kick panel. Constructed as a sophisticated hybrid system, the unit mounts a physical fuse grid directly directly onto a multi-layered printed circuit board that serves as the main logic processor for the entire vehicle body. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.